Good afternoon. We arrive at where, Hana?
Pasonanca.
Pasonanca Park, some kind of weird park name. So, what you wanna do? अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, हम पता नहीं कौन सी जगह पे आए हैं. Where we arrive, Hana? What is the park name?
Pasonanca.
पासोनानका. हम किसी अजीबोगरीब पार्क में आए जिसका नाम है पासोनानका. पता नहीं कौन से पार्क में हम आ गए, बस आ गए हैं कहीं, बस यही समझे आप. Hana, we should go from here. चले अंदर जाकर देखते हैं क्या, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रही है. हेलो हेलो हाय. So हम यहाँ पे पैसोनांका पार्क आए हैं. चले अंदर जाके अब देखते हैं. Let's go inside and then let's look how it is. So shall we go inside? There's so many beautiful butterfly, Hana. Can you look? It's look beautiful. Wow, so many beautiful butterfly. Are you liking it? It's very beautiful. So many beautiful butterfly. What is the park name? Pasonanca?
Pasonanca.
Pasonanca. Pasonanca. Pasonanca, wait, picture time. Pasonanca. Pasonanca. So, like, it's a little bit far away from the downtown, but still it's a nice area. Pasonanca. Pasonanca. So, this is the Pasonanca Park. Wow, beautiful. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, beautiful. Looking beautiful. Some more. काफी अच्छा लगा, तो हम यहाँ से बाहर निकलते हैं. Hana, shall we go? Are you liking the butterfly park? Really? Mashallah, very beautiful park. Pasonanca is a butterfly park. It's absolutely beautiful park. Pasonanca. बड़ा खूबसूरत पार्क है. यहाँ बटरफ्लाई है, तितलियाँ हैं. सिर्फ मेरे को दिखाता चलो से तितलियाँ हैं. Hana, you like butterflies? You like butterflies? I think she loves butterfly. Oh, she's doing it there and butterfly. Let's see. You're liking it? Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. What's here, Hana? If nothing ever changed, there is no butterfly. So, do you enjoy the butterfly? Do you want to say anything? Hana? Hana, look here. Did you enjoy the butterfly?
Yeah.
So this was the butterfly vlog. Subscribe and bye. नाज़रीन, ये बटरफ्लाई का व्लॉग था. मुझे उम्मीद आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ ज़म्बोंगा लोकेटेड है मिंडानाओ के सूबे में. और ये एक जगह है पासोनांका. So can you tell my audience, my Urdu audience that मैं अपनी बीवी से पूछ रहा हूँ को ये कैसा लगा. So come here. How do you like this park?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. She have a very limited vocabulary because it's just amazing. It's बहुत अच्छा पार्क है, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. Down to earth लगा. That's good thing I like. It's very relaxing. The weather is hot. गर्मी काफी है यहाँ पे, गर्मी काफी है, लेकिन एक अपना ही मजा. It's very hard to describe. सुकून है. It's relaxing, isn't it? चले अंदर चलते हैं, दिखाता हूँ आपको.